Hey everybody, this is today's math assignment. Dun, dun, dun. All right, today's math assignment comes from your packet. So go and grab your packet that has the Smart Skills of the Day worksheet in the front. Okay? You can pause it if you need to. This particular assignment it's in the packet behind your graphing picture, okay? This is what it looks like. The title is Graph Relationships dash 1. All right, pause it here if you need to. Go grab your packet, turn to this particular page. I want to just quickly review some of the questions to make sure you understand what they're asking you, okay? Very good. Let me grab a pen and let's move this down here. All right, the first question or the first directive says use the table and graphs to complete the ordered pair. So they want us to use these tables and look at the graph here to complete the missing values, okay? So the way you look at this is when x is 5, what is y? So we're going to go to positive 5x, and we all know that here is the x-axis and here is the y-axis. So we're going to go to positive 5x, which is here, and we're going to go to whatever plot is on positive 5. So when x is positive 5, it looks like it sits on y at positive 1. Yes, very good, positive 1. So when x is 5, positive 5, then y is positive 1. And if you don't see a positive sign, you automatically know that it's a positive number. Let's go to one that has a negative number. I'm going here. This says when x is negative 6, what is the value of y? So I'm going to go over to negative 6 on the x-axis, which would be here. And whatever plot is sitting on that negative 6, that's where they want to know the value of y. So what is the value of y here? This is 6, and then on the y-axis, it's sitting on 1. So when x is negative 6, y is a positive 1. Okay? And then you keep going. Don't forget to complete all of them. Here's one where they have the y value and not the x. I'm going to jump down here. So this says when y is negative 3, what is the value of x? So let's move over to negative 3y. Now you're not going here because that's the x-axis. This says negative 3y. So I have to go to the y-axis and move down to negative 3. Whatever plot is sitting on the negative 3 y-axis there. So it will be this plot here. Okay. So then what is the x-axis? So I'll look up. And on the x-axis, it sits at a positive 5. So when y is negative 3, x is positive 5. That is how you complete that particular portion of today's assignment. Let's look at number 2. I'm here. Okay. Write the ordered pairs, then graph them on the coordinate grid shown in 1. Okay. So here you have ordered pairs. It says write the ordered pairs. Oh, okay. We know how to write ordered pairs, correct? And I'll change color. All right. Number of coins, X. That's here. Number of candies that can be, and I'm assuming that's Y. That goes here. So this particular ordered pair would be open parentheses 2, comma 1. X is always first. That's why I put the 2 first. The next ordered pair would be open parentheses 4, comma 2. Okay, and then you keep going and so on and so forth. Okay, the same thing it looks like for this particular section. Number of girls, X. Number of boys, Y. So the first ordered pair, X always goes first. Open parentheses, X value, comma, the Y value. The same thing for the next one. Open parentheses, X value, comma, Y value. Okay, and then they want you to go ahead and graph all of your points on your number line. Let me move this up so we can take a look at number 3. Max claims that position of ordered pairs 3 and 5 is the same as the position of ordered pairs 5 and 3 on the coordinate grid. Is Max right? If yes, give reasons. Okay, if no, plot both points on the grid above to prove your points. I would suggest that you go ahead and plot if you are a little bit not confused, but you need clarity. Go ahead and plot those points on the grid and then let yourself see if they are the same points coordinate pair or if they're different. And that'll help you out with that particular question. That's it. Today's assignment, easy peasy lemon squeezy. And then I'll see you all for tomorrow's class. Bye, everybody.